Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys. I sacrificed 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You were my girl. You see, but you're so steady, baby.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy D here, and today it's going to be a Sunday vlog, cleaning vlog slash me doing my clients today. So if you guys like to watch LASH TECH vlogs, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, let me tell you the rundown of my day today. I have 3 clients today, 2 new sets and 1 fill-in, and then in the midst of that I really want to deep clean my room because it needs to be cleaned up. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna sweep and like mop, and then I also really need to restock. I don't got nothing in here, and I don't have enough water. I just have 3 water bottles, and then I just have like boxes that need to be thrown out and all that stuff. So we're gonna do that today. And I also need to count my inventory and make sure my site is updated for my trays. Make sure you guys are shopping my trays. They're the best, darkest, easiest trays to fan, so make sure you guys are shopping my trays as well. So right now it is 9:44. My first client comes at 10, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything up for her, and then after that we're just gonna go ahead and start cleaning and stuff. So I'll see you guys when my first client gets here.
All my hoes rockin' Audemars. All my hoes rockin' Rollie Audemars Protect. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana, bust down a Tati with a bust down. Yeah. I hate being in my fields, I hate $20 bills. We too famous to be going on no drills, not for real. Never been up to my record label, never knew the deal. Said she wanna see the world and she tired of sitting still. I'ma take her ass to Paris, fuck her on that Ferris wheel. Take her to see Cristiano, fuck her in that Benz Viano. Champions League shit, there'll be a driver for you on arrival. When I finally see you, all I wanna see is right hand, right knee, left hand, left knee. Make that ass wave, make that ass jet ski. What? I don't know why the fuck niggas tryna test me. What? I'm just all about my goals like a Vetchki. What? I'm just all about my goals like a Messi. What? Being messy, shit do not impress me. What? I could never be a man, I'm your bestie. What? And I never liked you niggas, so don't text me.
So I just finished my first client of the day. She got a volume wispy set with full bottom lashes. It came out really cute. So my next client doesn't come till 3:30, so I have enough time because I do want to go to Dollar Tree and get some few snacks. I actually want to show you guys something that I use to help me like stay organized. When you have a lot of clients, it kind of gets hectic and you kind of like not really remember like what set you do on what clients. So what I like to do is just write down my clients. Like once I'm done with my client, I like to go on my iPad and just write down my clients' sets that I did on them. So I have this app here that I got from Etsy. You can download this, and if you have good notes, you could just add like the template on this. I'm gonna leave it in my description bar below if you guys want to purchase this. So it basically is a client record book, and it has like alphabetical order. So for example, I'm about to put my client's set that I did right now. So next time she comes in for a fill-in or a new set and she really likes the set, I have the information already. So you can put like their name, date of birth, if they have any allergies, if they wear glasses or lenses and stuff like that. And like this is the part that I feel like every LASH TECH needs.
You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be.
I am back from Dollar Tree, y'all. If you guys are gonna hear my AC go off because it is hot as hell outside. I'm sweating. So if you guys hear that, it's my AC. I'm hot. But anyways, like I said, I just got back from Dollar Tree. I got a few snacks. They didn't really have that much, and I kind of want to get some chips and stuff. I actually feel like I need to go to the grocery store, so we're gonna do that another day. I just got my clients' favorites. They love them some Gushers, so I got some Gushers for them. Airheads, got some bottle of water because I really needed that. And if you're not giving your clients water, what are you doing? But I'm kidding. So yeah, I got like 4 cases of water, I think. Got some high shoes. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some chips and stuff because the candy gets a lot. Because I have a lot of candy and I kind of want to get them like chips and like snacks and stuff. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store probably tonight and get them some like chips and like those muffin things.
You're 22. At the handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. At the handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride, girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Two at the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Two at the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me